Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is Cracko298. Today we're going over the save editor, the new one that I just created, or just made, that a huge step up in overall usability of the save editor. And so let's get started. This is for iStation Z, by the way. And so what do we first want to do is we want to open the file, save editor, right? Now we need some save data to actually edit. Now what we can do is we can actually go back over to this and then we'll open up the save editor file. This is the Citra data that we're going to use to edit. So we're just going to drag and drop this. As you can see, it's no longer here. So we're going to go back. So now we're going to click this. It's going to start up. This is the iStation Z Edit Save Editor plus Fixer console window. You can press all these keys to actually do it. Now, this is not a GUI at the moment. It's just a piece of console window or a CLI or not command line interface, but you know what I mean. It's something that you use to edit the save data using a Python script, which the batch file calls. And so I'm not getting into all the technical stuff, but anyway. So it's going to edit all these save files within here. So if we were to like drag all these when they're in use, these two files right here, if we were to drag these two over here, it would edit all of them at once, not just one. So that's a little bug I'm trying to work on, but until I work that, this is it basically. And so first we're going to go ahead and we're going to load it up into HXD just to see all the data. So let me just drag this window over here. Then we're going to drag the data 0 over here so then we can see the binary data. Ignore this little thing. I don't know why that's there. Okay, so see, this is our health. This is our, I believe, thirst or food. And then this is our, I believe this right here is our battery. And yeah, so now we're going to see all this change. So let's minimize this window. So for our health, we're just going to actually just edit normally. So we're going to click 1 to select edit health. And it gives you a little warning just to let you know that all the save data will be edited in the same directory as the saveeditor.bat file. The program only accepts 4-byte answers or less, depending on how you do it. So 4-byte integer can go from 0, I believe, all the way up to 1.4 billion, but I'm not 100% sure. Make sure it's less than that, though. Make sure it's less. And so for our health, you know, we're just going to do a simple 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. So data was wrote to the file. Awesome sauce. We're also going to do all of them. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We can also type in 3, and then we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to click 4, do 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome. And so now let's go into HXD just to prove that it just did it. So this right here is the same as this, and this. I have no idea what this is. So, oh well. And so let's go back. So save editor and this. So now let's open this back up. And so now we have the save fixer menu. So what this is let's say your file, oh no, like if it has a 0 right there, if it has a 0, that's a problem because then it allows the game to overwrite any save data that's in this file. And so this save fixer will actually allow you to fix that. So if we click the 5 button, it'll actually notice it does not guarantee that your save data files will be fixed. It will attempt to fix it best as it can. It's always advertised to get a full understanding of the save file before editing it manually or automatically like this tool allows. This function will edit all save data files found in the current directory. That's just a note. Make sure that you understand how to fix a save file if it is broken, because if this program breaks it, you're going to be screwed for the most part. It shouldn't happen, but, you know, with programs, there are bugs, especially from independent developers like me. So we select our choice. We're going to do the fixed spawn point sector. I believe we already fixed the spawn point. Oh, well, no, there it is. It just edited these 2 values, I think, or those 3. And so nice. So now we're going to go back. Let's do the fix open data sector, which is the one in front of that. So we're going to type in 2, enter, and it wrote the fix to a file. We can see it over here in HXD where it just wrote a 1. And, you know, the clothing, it's all default it just defaults it because sometimes if you have data that's corrupted or otherwise, sometimes hackers they'll give you a code. Here's these ultimate hacker clothes or something like that. It's not actually. It's there to corrupt your save data, and so this right here, this will fix the data. So we're gonna return back to our menu now. And let's do the locations. So the locations, you have gray base, you have the oil. I hate autocorrect. You have the oil right or oil rig spawn point. So you know what? Let's do 3 and test it. All right. So now that we're at the submarine, number 6, it actually does not work in this version of it. I'm still trying to work out some kinks, so I just have this error message and it sends you back to the menu. So let's start up the game now. Not Battle Miner Z. My gosh, sorry about that. iStation Z. Alrighty, awesome. So now we're gonna go in. You know what? I forgot. So let's stop the emulation and let's go over here. So just so happens that I forgot to actually, drag the save data back over to the save directory. Whoops, my bad. So let's exit out of this application or the save editor and let's go back in. iStation Z. That's the reason it errored, is because I couldn't make up my mind. Oh boy. So single player, we're gonna go back. As you can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Would you look at that? That's pretty awesome, isn't it? Oh, and the best part, maybe I should actually configure this real quick. Audio controls. We're gonna do the default. Okay. So now I should be able to look around. As you can see, we're at the submarine right here, and then we go back right here, and then boom, we're good. If y'all like this video, make sure to like it. If you don't, well then don't. I'll see y'all later. Bye-bye.